So today I want to show you how to use SlidesCarnival. SlidesCarnival is one of my favorite tools to making better presentations if you're using PowerPoint. This is good for both PowerPoint and Google Slides. So if you use Google Slides, this is compatible with that. And I think that's one of the other reasons I like it so much. Besides the fact that it's free and there are tons and tons of templates to pick from, it's also good for either platform. So you would go to slidescarnival.com, okay? And you can browse here on the main page some PowerPoints that they have, some templates. And then you can also go by color if you were looking for a particular color. Formal, inspirational, creative, simple, startup, elegant, playful, and business. We'll click business. Sometimes there's an ad. You can manage it. And here you see some kind of basic presentations. So maybe you want to talk about time management in your presentation and you're like, that's perfect. We'll click that. So you can go to the bottom to preview it. You kind of see it, what it looks like, what you're working with. And if that appeals to you, you can either download it as a PowerPoint template or as a Google Slides theme. So I would say, yeah, I want to use this template. I'm going to use Google Slides. So then everything becomes editable. So if I wanted to say the title of this is, if I wanted my keyboard to work, right? There we go. So then I could take these slides and I could use them to customize what I want to do. If I wanted to change this image, I could. It has different types of slides, like here, use a big concept here. What I really love, the columns that split, and then I really love that it has some diagrams and tables, maps, some numerical things. So if you were looking to use tools that were related to this, it's really easy because now the infographic is kind of already set up for you. You would just have to change the data and what you're talking about. You can use graphs from Excel or Google Sheets, which is really nice. You can place screenshots if you wanted to show how to use a device, something on a device. And then they have at the end some extra icons that you could use and kind of move them around. So you can essentially just take this already pre-made slideshow and then just make it customized for what you're trying to do. So I really like it. You can duplicate slides if you really like one and you want to change it. You would just duplicate slide. You can do transitions, you can change backgrounds, you can add new ones, and it gives you kind of these set ones to choose from. So I think if you are somebody who wants to have a really attractive presentation, but you don't want to do a lot of work, that this is one of the best tools out there because it really does make everything so easy. And if there's a slide that you're like, I'm never going to use this, I hate it, you just hit delete and you've deleted it and that's it. So I highly recommend using SlidesCarnival. It's free, easy to use, and you can use it for PowerPoint and download it to your PowerPoint on your computer, or you can use it in Google Slides. And I think that it's a great way to make your PowerPoints look great without having to work too hard. Thanks.